Welcome to Simplify, where we take learning concepts and simplify them for our viewers. My name is Gus, and here are the 3 steps to live in the present moment. 1. Break the pattern. A man is on his way to work in the morning. He walks by a flower shop, and without noticing, he starts feeling bad. His subconscious mind automatically got triggered. He started thinking things like, why do people buy flowers if they die so fast? Actually, I spent too much money on silly gifts last year. Oh, I can never afford things I like. Money is going to be an issue. Folks, your mind never stops. It keeps wandering from the past to the future by itself and likes to ignore the present. It's what people call overthinking and researchers call awfulizing. There's an established pattern in the subconscious mind geared towards awfulizing past memories and future events. It's a harmful pattern that overemphasizes the struggles of the past and anticipates anxiety towards the future. Don't allow yourself to be a slave to the pattern. You need to break the pattern and become alert of where you are at that moment in time. It's called mindfulness, a mental state achieved by focusing one's awareness of the present moment. We need to execute mindfulness. So as soon as you realize that you're thinking of either the past or the future, a powerful mind trick is to directly ask yourself, what time is it? To trigger the subconscious mind to stop that process and develop a new one. Every time you ask yourself, what time is it? Your answer is going to be me time. Me stands for mindfulness executed. Now your body language has changed and the pattern is broken. When mindfulness is executed, you can now refocus your mind to center on the present moment in which you exist. 2. Recognize your surroundings. The first thing we need to recognize is that we cannot feel or touch the past or the future, but we can feel or touch something right now. To recognize the moment, you need to sharpen your sensory recognition and describe the environment with powerful adjectives. The best feelings come from our 5 senses. Identify as many senses as you can. This man is reading a book for his son, but his mind is wandering about some silly argument he had with a coworker last week. Take a mental picture of your surroundings. Where am I? In my house on my comfortable couch with my child. What do I see? A colorful book and the most important person in my life sitting beside me. What noises do I hear? My child laughing and giggling at the characters in the book. What does it smell like? The flowers beside me smell amazing. That's it. Identify the things around you and don't overcomplicate the descriptions. Activate all the senses you can, the physical environment, the feel, the smell, the taste, and the sounds of where you are right now. You will be surprised of how this puts you in the present mode immediately. 3. Create moments of greatness. When is the last time you did something for the first time? Create moments of greatness for yourself and for the people you care about. Even the simple interactions like bedtime can turn into great moments. Savor them. It could be as simple as taking your family for a drive and picking up ice cream. But make it memorable. Get in your car, put the windows down, turn the music up, and sing your favorite songs to that delicious vanilla ice cream cone. When you're all happy, take a mental picture of your surroundings. Identify the sounds, smells, tastes, and all the physical things around you. The more senses you can connect to this experience, the easier the subconscious mind can retrieve it in the future. Remember that good moments pass by quickly. If we don't take advantage of them, it would be like they never existed. Time flies. It doesn't stop. It's up to you to either live in it or just let it pass by. So the next time you walk by a flower shop, take a few minutes of your day and pick some up. Smell the roses. My friends, of course, everything is easier said than done. To master things, it takes practice and repetition. So get out there and make mistakes along the way. Keep developing yourself, and I hope this video was beneficial to you. This is a learning community. It would also be great for others to learn from your life experiences as well. What ideas or triggers do you have to break our patterns and live in the moment? Even if it's a 1 word or a paragraph, write it in the comments below. And if there are any learning concepts you would like us to simplify in our future videos, please let us know. We want to hear from you. If you want to see more simplified concepts that develop your skills and capabilities in life, click subscribe. You also might be interested in our communication skills or our self-confidence modules. Check them out. Please smack our like button if you liked our content and delivery style. Thank you, and I wish you all the best of luck in breaking your patterns and living in the moment.